It's an honour to formally open the Donabate Distributor Road. It's been a massive project, co-funded under the LIHAF scheme. That is a major piece of infrastructure for the Donabate and Portrane area, and will alleviate a lot of issues with traffic within the village centre, as well as open up land for development on the peninsula.
This is one of the first LIHAF projects in the country that went on construction. The overall cost of this piece of infrastructure was just under 15 million, and just under 11 million of that funding came from the LIHAF funding.
I'm really pleased to see the opening of the Donabate Distributor Road. Principally what it gives Donabate and the peninsula is a new route into the peninsula, so alleviating all that traffic that's been causing a problem in recent times. It also will allow us to open up some housing land, which will see new much needed homes delivered in the Fingal and Donabate area. So I'd expect to see major progress on that in the coming months.
The road is critical to open up the lands for just over 2,000 residential development, housing, 3 schools and a recreational and educational hub that Fingal will also be funding in the years to come. Currently we are doing an urban framework plan to increase pedestrianisation and really open the village up, so it will have a very positive effect on the village centre itself.
Provides a much needed additional crossing across the railway line for the residents of Donabate and Portrane. It'll really help to link up communities in this fast growing residential area. The railway crossing was built over 2 nights. A number of large concrete beams were lifted into place when the railway line possession was taken from midnight to 6 a.m. Constructed by our contractor MEIC Limited and supervised by Fingal County Council and RPS Consulting Engineers.
I'm really pleased to open a road that will provide a great exercise route for people as well, with fabulous views over the estuary. And I hope it will be enjoyed by the people of Donabate and Portrane.
Great news recently with the An Bord Pleanála decision to grant permission for the Broadmeadow Way, which is another key project here on the peninsula that's going to link Newbridge Domain with Malahide Domain, and will be right next to this road project here as well.